More jobs being replaced by AI. Hello everybody, my name's John Dornoff. This is Dawn of a Better Life for you, your career, and your business. Are you looking to grow and succeed? On Mondays we post on personal growth, on Wednesdays we post on career growth, and on Fridays we post on business growth. And today we're talking about AI. It was just a couple weeks ago that I did a video on talking about how asking you, is your job safe from being replaced by AI? Well, just recently in a newspaper article or an article in the last couple of days, there was a story about how journalists are being replaced by AI. Now, to really call them complete journalists is kind of a misnomer, because what they do is basically go through articles that post them onto a website. But their claim is, well, you can't replace us because, we go through the articles to make sure that there's no inaccuracies and, some bad articles might get through. Well, the company doesn't care, because the company's laying off a large number of people. It's going to save some money. So whether you agree with it or not, there's a reason why the company's going to do it. The question is, how many of these people are going to have been in the industry for some time, thought their jobs are safe, despite all the changes that have been occurring in the journalism in the last few, 20, 30 years. But now their jobs are gone. That is why you always need to future-proof your career. You need to be constantly keeping up with current trends. You need to be keeping your education up. You need to be continually learning, because things are going to change. Nothing is really safe. No matter what career you have, something can happen to it. Now, I know there's a lot of, as I've said before, with COVID-19 right now, everything's uncertain. But what is certain is that things are going to change. Even if you have a job that is not in danger from COVID-19, that you're staying steady, doesn't mean you're not going to have changes that are going to affect you long term. You need to future-proof your career. This is just one example, but it's happening day after day. So keep up on your training, keep up on education, keep up on what is industry trends, and also think about where you can go from here. Maybe there's another area of career you want to go into. Always be examining what your opportunities are, because you don't want to be one of those totally blindsided by being replaced by AI or layoffs because they're cutting back. You want to be prepared. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe and hit the bell notifications because, as I said, we post 3 days a week, and we'll see you next time.